Bologna Bowl.
Bologna Bowl!
Yeah. And so the Bologna Bowl, see, my mother-in-law, Carol, she's an amazing woman. She had a lot of children, 5. And my wife is the baby. And so growing up, they used to have, you know, bologna bowls for breakfast. So then her mom, Carol, would just literally put a piece of bologna in a bowl, put a piece of cheese in a bowl.
Carol, you crack me up, and I want to hang with you.
Carol is phenomenal, but the thing is that she's an amazing chef.
Yes.
Do you want to crack the egg?
Sure.
Rachael, cracking an egg.
Oh! So we have American cheese. We have lined a bowl with bologna and a slice of American and an egg.
That is it. There's a microwave. Who's got a microwave?
Woo-hoo!
Start.